Yep. Are you ready, Jim?
I am so ready for this head-to-head between the New York Rangers and the Carolina Hurricanes. O'Neill. Kapanen shoots the puck. Dvorak. Lindros corrals it. Dvorak. New York in control now. Dvorak. O'Neill has it. Malikov gets in the way. He grabs the puck. Lindros. Short pass.
That was sweet, Jim. High five. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. Yeah!
Malikov takes control of the puck. Lindros fires it. Saved by Weeks. Battaglia. Brindamore took the puck. Pody takes possession. And they get called for icing. The face-off goes to Carolina. Murray with a wrist shot. He's with the puck. Thrashed. Drury. It's one-on-one. Saved by Blackburn.
If you took a finely tuned athlete and threw a ton of padding on him, you'd get this guy.
Samuelson. He gets pushed. Berard gets hold of the puck. Donato shoots! Saved by Weeks! Kasparaitis scoops up the loose puck. The Rangers go offside. Battaglia. Ward takes control. It's one-on-one. Blackburn stones him. Lindros. Bure shoots it. New York puts its second line out. Ward takes control of the puck. Brindamore. Lindros. Wesley stops the shot. O'Neill. Kapanen got the puck. Denied by Blackburn. Play ends as the puck is shot into the crowd. There's some fierce action in front of the net tonight.
Yeah, looks like he got away with one there.
Nedved shoots the puck from the left. Weeks stoned him. Tanabe blasts Nedved. Messier cranked him. Tanabe with the puck. Vasicek. Pody gobbles it up. Nedved has it. Weeks shuts the door.
1 minute, he's standing in the net minding his own business. The next, blammo!
Weeks hangs on for the whistle. Kapanen. O'Neill had the puck.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Kapanen. Johansson. It's one-on-one. He takes possession of the puck.
That's the first.
Carolina looking a tie game in the face.
Well, if they look at firing the puck in the net, things could really work out for them, Jim.
Years. On an unrelated note, season's tickets are now on sale.
Welcome back to the game, everybody.
Jim, I haven't seen this much hard-hitting action since the concession stand.
Let's get back to the game. Francis. McCarthy takes possession of the puck. Blocked! Scott scoops up the loose puck. O'Neill. Berard grabs the puck. McCarthy, stick save by Weeks. Berard takes control of the puck. Donato misses the net. He jumps on the loose puck. Holik. Donato now has it. Weeks turned the shot away. O'Neill. Kapanen. Rips one.
He missed the net? Man, that shouldn't even count as a shot.
It doesn't.
Well, good then.
Kasparaitis. Holik shoots the puck. Hedeken scoops it up. Brindamore grabs it. Battaglia gets a hold of it. Pody gets rocked.
If you've ever had a fridge fall on you, you'll know how he feels right about now.
Nedved with a breakaway. Shoots it. Stick save. Ward with the puck. Cole takes it. He takes control. Battaglia. The Hurricanes dump it in. New York has it now. Lefebvre. Johansson has it now. Murray. Grabbed by Carolina. Vasicek, New York, in control now. Tanabe pushes Malahoff.
Not the collision I was hoping for, though, Jim. Not even close.
Malahoff. Dvorak fires! Missed the net. He takes control of the puck. Leach. Bure. Lindros now with it. Hard shot. Bure has it. Lindros whips a shot. Carolina grabs it. Kapanen. It's one-on-one. Pody grabs the puck. Scott took it. Donato gets it. New York takes possession. McCarthy hammers. Wesley. Kapanen jumps on the loose puck. Kasparaitis pushes him. New York puts its second line out. Scott. Donato. Shoots the puck. Turned aside by Weeks.
Right back at you. Booyah!
Weeks denies him. Drury. Langdon controls the puck. Adams gets pushed. Blackburn denied him. Pody scoops up the loose puck. Holik. Check. Shoots it hard. Saved by Weeks.
Try again later, fellows.
Weeks hangs on for the whistle. Battaglia. McCarthy. Scott.
I hope you haven't had your fill of hockey action, because we'll be serving up some more shortly.
Boxes feature great views, waiter service, and free merchandise.
Hi, and welcome back. Let's get set to start the third period.
The third's my favorite period.
That's great. Lindros. Bure. Lindros. Kapanen. Francis grabs the puck. Dvorak. Bure grabbed it. New York gets it. Fired it. Lindros scores top shelf.
There's a goal that'll turn more heads than an alligator on a leash.
The defense was holding on until now, but they've slipped on that play.
Slipped. They've fallen.
And they can't get up. Messier winning ahead of the play. That's offside.
Pavel Bure and by number 20, Radek Dvorak. Did you know auto pollution increases every year by 10%? Do your part for the environment.
Battaglia.
Public transit to
Cole.
and from the game.
Hedican takes possession of the puck. Battaglia now has it. Blackburn turns him away.
The goalie made that shot look like a waste of everyone's time.
Brindamore won the faceoff. Scott gets in the way. Battaglia jumps on the loose puck. Shoots it from the right. McCarthy took it. Scott dumped it in. Carolina takes control. Brindamore. Cole returns it. Blocked. McCarthy takes control of the puck. McCarthy.
There seems to be a fight going on, and I thought we were having a nice friendly game.
What was your first clue, Sherlock?
These fellas fight to win, but after a punch like that, your chances of winning are about the same as drawing a circle on an Etch-a-Sketch.
LaFave shoots the puck. Ward stops the shot. Weeks hangs on for the whistle.
Carolina penalty to number 22, Sean Hill. A 5-minute major for fighting.
Kapanen. Francis grabbed the puck. New York grabbed it. Berard. Carolina has it now. Kapanen. O'Neill shoots it quickly. Blackburn hangs on for the whistle. Lindros will win the face-off more often than not.
Jim, there you go, getting all scientific again.
Dvorak with a wrist shot, saved by Weeks.
That save, of course, of the buy one, get one free variety.
Weeks hangs on for the whistle. Vasicek. Daniels grabs the puck. New York scoops it up. Vasicek, he's in control now. Lindros. Bure. Carolina gobbles it up. Turned over in the neutral zone. He scoops up the loose puck. Lindros. Dvorak. Scores right upstairs.
That goal will spawn its own line of action figures, T-shirts, and various other paraphernalia. He hit that puck so hard that, Jim?
What? Don't look at me. They've added some insurance to their lead.
That goal should ensure victory. He's working on a, you know what, Jim, but I don't want to say it. But he's really close to a blank. And if he keeps this up, he'll nab the blank.
Oh, I'm sure the folks at home can fill in the blanks. Stoned by Blackburn. Nedved. Messier shoots. Vasicek. Shoots the puck from the left. Blackburn made the save. Nedved. The Rangers dump the puck in. Battaglia. Brindamore has it. Battaglia grabbed it. Cole grabbed it. The Hurricanes come in offside. Donato has it now. Carolina scooped it up. O'Neill. Kapanen grabs it. Carolina is going to go with the extra attacker.
They'll need to go for it, and I need to go to the concession before they close. Say, Jim.
Kapanen. Malahoff takes possession of the puck. McCarthy gets the shot off. Empty netter. Johansson.
By number 10, Sandy McCarthy.
Samuelson fires it. Weeks hangs on for the whistle.
Number 23, Vladimir Malikov.
The face-off goes to the Rangers. Daniels shoots the puck. Pody gets in the way. Blackburn freezes the puck. McCarthy. He corrals it. Brindamore. Fired it hard! Stone cold by Blackburn! Donato. Ward scoops up the loose puck. Icing is called against Carolina. Lindros wins the draw. Kapanen. Malakoff stops the shot. Bure shoots, scores!
After a goal like that, a guy could retire happy.
Rangers goal, scored by number 9, Pavel
Malakoff.
Assisted by number
He gives the puck away. Carolina looked uninspired in a very uneven game.
Jim, it's hard to get inspired when that red light over your net keeps going on.
And now for the 3-star selection. Tonight's 3rd star for New York Rangers, number 20, Radek Dvorak. Tonight's 2nd star for New York Rangers, number 9, Pavel Bure.
From Madison Square Garden in New York City, I'm Jim Houston. Thanks for doing the hockey thing with myself and Don Taylor.
Oh, yeah. Bye. What's with you? You may be finishing now, but I finished 10 or 15 seconds ago.